This is how to play Mancala. Mancala is a tabletop game for 2 players ages 6 and up, and each game runs about 15 minutes long. There are multiple versions of how to play this game, so I'll cover the one that I like best. In every version of the game, the setup is exactly the same. There are 4 stones placed inside each of the 12 pockets. The bottom 6 pockets belong to player 1, and the top 6 pockets belong to player 2. The 2 big pockets on the sides of the board are called Mancalas. The one on the right belongs to player 1. The one on the left belongs to player 2. The players will alternate taking turns, and on each turn, the player will choose one of their 6 pockets to remove all the stones from, and then moving clockwise around the board, they will place 1 stone into each pocket until they run out of stones. They will skip the other player's Mancala, but if they have enough stones to reach their own, they will place 1 stone inside their own Mancala. So let's say it's player 1's turn, and they choose to take the stones from the right pocket. They'll place those stones one by one into the next 4 pockets. Now it's player 2's turn. Let's say they chose this pocket. They'll begin placing the stones, but skip the other player's Mancala. Now let's skip to later in the game. It's now player 1's turn, and he chooses this pocket. He has enough stones to make it around the board, leaving 1 in his own Mancala, and the final one in an empty pocket on his own side. And whenever that happens, the player gets to take all the stones from the adjacent pocket on the other player's side and put them into their own Mancala. They also get to move that single stone from their own side into their Mancala. If a player's final stone lands in their own Mancala, they get to go again. The game ends when at the end of a player's turn, they have no stones left on their side of the board. At that point, the other player who still has stones left gets to move all the remaining stones to their own Mancala, which is important because the player who has the most stones wins the game. And that's how to play Mancala.